In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open AnyDesk on your PC and get connected the right way, step by step. Whether you're trying to launch the app for the first time, find your AnyDesk address, or connect to another computer, this quick guide will walk you through everything clearly and simply. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go down to the taskbar and click the Start button to open the Start menu. Once the menu opens, just type AnyDesk into the search bar. This is the fastest way to find the app on your computer without having to dig through folders or desktop shortcuts. As soon as AnyDesk shows up in the search results, click on it to launch the program. Then wait a moment while the application opens. Once AnyDesk is open, you'll see the main screen. On this page, look for the section that says This Desk or Your Address. This is your unique AnyDesk ID, and it's the number or address other people can use to connect to your PC. If someone needs remote access to your device, this is the address you would share with them. Just make sure you only share it with trusted people. Now, if you want to connect to another computer, look for the Remote Desk field. In that box, type in the AnyDesk address of the computer you want to reach. After entering the address, click Connect. AnyDesk will send a connection request, and then you'll need to wait for the remote user to accept it. Once they approve the request, the remote session will begin and you'll be able to access their computer. And that's it. You now know how to open AnyDesk on a PC, find your address, and connect to another device. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when you need remote access or support. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.